Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Update Windows and GPU drivers so live wallpapers run smoothly. Next, pick a tool, Wallpaper Engine for paid polish, Lively for free, or Rainmeter for widgets, because each uses resources differently. Once chosen, download and install from the official store and grant admin and firewall permissions so files can run at startup. This prevents permission-related failures later. Finally, reboot if prompted. Doing so ensures drivers and services load before you add animated backgrounds. Once installed, import a sample wallpaper. MP4s and WebM are efficient. GIF are heavier, so you can gauge impact. Then configure resolution and FPS. Reduce these to cut CPU/GPU load and lower quality on battery-powered machines. Make sure to assign wallpapers per monitor when using multiple displays and enable audio reactive options if you want visuals to match sound. Also set the tool to pause during full-screen apps or games to avoid performance hits. These steps balance aesthetics with system stability and battery life. Now finalize by enabling Run at Startup and exporting your wallpaper profile so settings are recoverable. Create a system restore point before heavy customization. It saves time if something breaks. Monitor CPU and GPU usage and create separate profiles for battery versus plugged-in modes to avoid overheating. If you hit a problem, like a black screen, first restart Explorer. EXE, then disable hardware acceleration in the wallpaper app. If that fails, revert to a static image, check driver versions, and reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.